How to recover Gmail account without phone number or email. So if you want to recover your Gmail, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the support center on Google, and here you're going to go to how to recover your account section. Now over here, it's going to say to find your username, follow these steps. Under forgot the email address you used to sign in, you're going to click on follow these steps. Now, once you click on follow these steps, you're going to add in any phone number or email you remember, okay? It could be anything associated with that email. Now, if that is the issue, or if you can't add anything from the recovery email or phone number, in that case, you're going to come over to help. And in help, what you're going to do is you are going to contact, okay? And the way you contact the people at Google is you are simply going to go overhead to, first of all, post help to the community, and you're going to come to send feedback, okay? And you're going to go to General Help Center Experience. And over here, you're going to basically let them know in the chat section. So here's let's chat. And here you're going to obviously chat with an operator, telling them your issues. And obviously, if there's account access issues, you're going to go with this and let the people know that you've forgotten your phone and email. And obviously, give them some type of verification according to your account, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.